In this video we learn AutoCAD plan. 1. Making a plan in AutoCAD 10 feet x 10 feet room. Make a new file academic and click open. One. Set units for drawing by enter U. N. Command. Controls the precision and display. Formats for coordinates, distances, and angles. Length. Type. Sets the current display format for units of measure. The values include architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. The engineering and architectural formats produce feet and inches displays and assume that each drawing unit represents 1 inch. The other formats can represent any real-world unit. Precision. Sets the number of decimal places or fractional size displayed for linear measurements. The UCS is the active coordinate system that establishes the XY plane, work plane, and Z-axis direction for drawing and modeling. Control the UCS origin and orientation to make drawing more convenient as you specify points, enter coordinates, and work with drawing aids, such as ortho mode and the grid. To grid off on screen of display. Dimension Style Manager. Creates new styles, sets the current style, modifies styles, sets overrides on the current style, and compares styles. Displays the Modify Dimension Styles dialog box, in which you can modify dimension styles. Dialog box options are identical to those in the new Dimension Style dialog box. Unit Format. Sets the current unit's format for all dimension types except angular. Dim-Unit System Variable. The relative sizes of numbers in stacked fractions are based on the dimfaq system variable, in the same way that tolerance values use the system variable. Arrowheads. First, sets the arrowhead for the first dimension line. When you change the first arrowhead type, the second arrowhead automatically changes to match it. System variable. To specify a user-defined arrowhead block, select User Arrow. The Select Custom Arrow Block dialog box is displayed. Select the name of a user-defined arrowhead block. The block must be in the drawing. Second, sets the arrowhead for the second dimension line. System variable. To specify a user-defined arrowhead block, select User Arrow. The Select Custom Arrow Block dialog box is displayed. Select the name of a user-defined arrowhead block. The block must be in the drawing. Line. Create straight line segments. With line, you can create a series of contiguous line segments. Each segment is a line object that can be edited separately. Make 10 feet by 10 feet room by line and check distance by dig command. Offset. Creates concentric circles, parallel lines, and parallel curves. You can offset an object at a specified distance or through a point. After you offset objects, you can trim and extend them as an efficient method to create drawings containing many parallel lines and curves. The offset command repeats for convenience. To exit the command, press Enter. Trim. Trims objects to meet the edges of other objects. To trim objects, select the boundaries. Then press Enter and select the objects that you want to trim. To use all objects as boundaries, press Enter at the first Select Objects prompt. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.